Hello everyone, I'm Becky Goldsmith and I want to show you something fun from Yazzii. This is the Yazzii Petite Organizer in the extra large size. Be aware there's more than one Petite Organizer. This one is 13¼ inches long, 6 inches wide, and 3 inches tall. It has a double zipper that I have already unzipped. When you open the organizer, you'll find a long zipper in the lid. This would be a nice place to put larger things, maybe pencils, some rulers. You could put a rotary cutter in here. You could put scissors of various sizes. It's a nice padded on both sides pocket. There is an elastic band that is perfect for holding spools of thread. The body of the organizer has an open area and a side with pockets. The two sides are divided by a soft divider that is not sewn down at the bottom, which means you can move it around a little bit. The pockets are sewn in for those of you who like to be sure that your pockets stay with your organizer. I, however, usually like these to be loose. So there are sewn in seams here that hold these pockets in. If you would like them to be loose, all you have to do is use a seam ripper to loosen them and take them out. The pockets are a really great size for all kinds of notions. Needles, pins, needle cases, needle threaders, small pairs of scissors. Did I say needle threaders? I think I did. What's nice about these is that they have a clear window so that when they're full, you know what's inside. The open side of the well is perfect for larger things, and I want to show you this. For those of you who've been to piecocake.com and found the Handcrafted Wooden Box, it is nigh onto a perfect fit here. You can turn it sideways or you can turn it this way. It's a slightly tighter fit in this direction. In both cases, there's a little bit of space on the narrower side where you could put, well, you could put stuff. You could put more thread. You can put little folded pieces of fabric. You can put nothing or something as your heart desires. If you don't have a wooden box, you might indeed have some other kind of box, either a plastic box or small boxes, tins, all kinds of things that don't fit easily into a zippered pouch you can put in this space. Because of the way things fit inside, and depending on how you load your own bag, what's nice about this is that you don't have to carry it flat. You have the option of turning it on its side and carrying it by the handle. Or if you've got a larger bag, you don't have to load it in this way. You can set it up on its end, and that gives you lots more room inside another bag to put other things. I'm going to enjoy using the Petite Organizer in the extra large size. I think you will too. Thank you for watching, and may you have many happy stitches.